Hello children, good morning. Today we will discuss about stay safe, and I am going to teach for the student of class 5th lesson 3, which name is stay safe. Like this time you live in your home and stay safe. Similarly, stay safe we have always concentrate for staying safe. Children, we all have accidents one in a while, and we all get who can help us in the injured person, and first aid are also used for in such things. Suppose that हम हमेशा ये बात देखते हैं कि हम कभी न कभी किसी न किसी कंडीशन से इंज्योर्ड हो जाते हैं, उस समय हमें वैसे पर्सन की नीड्स होती है जो हमें तत्काल तुरंत इमीडिएटली हमें एक सपोर्ट दे ताकि हम एक बेटर फील करें. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ emergency supports are known as the first aid. And children, you have to do for this condition. It means be a master in such condition for saving other lives. It means first aid are immediate medical help to an injured person before taking him or her to the medical. It means मेडिकल पहुंचाने से पहले, किसी को ट्रीटमेंट करने से पहले उसको इमीडिएट जो हेल्प दिया जाए, इमीडिएट जो सपोर्ट किया जाए, मदद किया जाए एट द फर्स्ट स्टेज, दिस स्टेजेस आर कॉल्ड फर्स्ट एड. टुडे वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट दिस टाइप ऑफ फर्स्ट एड टिप्स for some accidents and injuries. First aid and first aid tips which are very helpful in such condition. If you know them properly, then you save life in your relative, in your friends. So today we will discuss about first aid tips for some accidents and injuries. Now at first we will discuss about first aid, immediate medical help given to an injured person. Immediate medical help given to an injured person before taking him or her are known as the first aid. Anywhere anybody suffer from any accidents, they hurt, so first aid help immediate before the taking him or her. So such condition which are very harmful, animal bite, severe bleeding, eye irritation, burns, electric shock, safety from fire. What to do in such condition? यदि आपके सामने ये सब घटनाएं होती हैं तो क्या आप कुछ नहीं करोगे? ये इफ यू नो टिप्स ऑफ फर्स्ट एड, देन यू हेल्प your friends, your relatives helps. Okay, at first we will discuss about animal bites. What to do if your friends get bitten by stranger animals? You know that stranger animals carry with them of the rabies virus. In strangers, the teeth of the strangers, the saliva of the strangers carry the virus of rabies, which are very dangerous and create a very dangerous disease, which are called hydrophobic. It means animal bite. If anybody get bitten by animal bite and you know the first aid tips betterly, properly, then you help, then you save your friend's life, your relative lives by the actions of, by the tips of first aid. At first, now we will discuss about animal bite. During animal bite, at first, wash wounds for 15 to 20 minutes and consult to the doctor immediately, and if needs, then you complete sure the course of injection. It means if anybody get bitten by bitten by animals, stranger animals especially, and also the domestic animals, then we can say that at first वाउंड को 15 से 20 मिनट 15 टू 20 मिनट्स उसको अच्छी तरह से वॉश करें एंड आफ्टर वॉशिंग इमीडिएट उसे डॉक्टर से कंसल्ट करें, डॉक्टर के पास, मेडिकल के पास पहुंचाएं एंड इफ नीड्स देन कंप्लीट अ कोर्स ऑफ इंजेक्शन. जितने कोर्स है इंजेक्शन का, टेकिंग इंजेक्शन का ड्यूरिंग एनिमल बाइट, उस कोर्स को कंप्लीट करें ड्यूरिंग एनिमल बाइट. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट सीवियर ब्लीडिंग. इफ person get bleeding, then use a sterile bandage which are free from germ. वैसे बैंडेज का यूज करें विच आर फ्री फ्रॉम जर्म्स, जो जर्म से बिल्कुल भी इफेक्टिव ना हो, अलग हो. बिकॉज ब्लीडिंग थ्रू विथ योर cutting points or wounds, and if you use infectious bandage, then you suffer from tetanus. So consult your doctor and use a pure, a soft and germ free bandage for control the bleeding. And next, eye irritation. If you create eye irritation, then at first wash your eye properly, and if don't If you do not feel relaxed, then use a wet clothes for removing the dust from the eyes. And if you sure needs to, then consult to your nearest medical doctors immediately, because these are related to your eye. And you know that the part of our body, the our eyes is very important, because by this we see anything, we feel, we see the beauty of the world. So the first aid helps to you for the such condition. Immediately help which are given to you at first are known as the first aid. जो हमें किसी कंडीशन में फर्स्ट पहला जो ट्रीटमेंट है आफ्टर मेडिकल at the first stage treatment are known as the first aid, and it is very important to know properly for the students, and not for students, we can say, I say everybody know about the first aid. ये सबके लिए ज़रूरी है, सभी को, all things को, all peoples को ये जाननी चाहिए कि फर्स्ट एड किस तरह से हम करें. Now we will discuss about burn. What is burn? You know, if you burn a smallest part of the body, then use a wet clothes and wrapped to their wounds. And for chemical burn, don't use any spray and ointment. You needs to be consult to the nearest doctor. And now we will discuss about electric shock. If anybody shocked with electric, then how do we save them? At first, disconnect to the plug. सबसे पहले हम डिस्कनेक्ट करेंगे प्लग को, ताकि जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का जो फ्लुएशन है वो रुक जाए, ब्रोक हो जाए. एंड आफ्टर दिस उस पेशेंट को हम चेयर पे या बेड पे उसको स्ट्रेच करेंगे. एंड आफ्टर स्ट्रेच, if that person are not able for breathing, then he needs to artificial breathing. यदि वो पर्सन रिस्पायरेशन ब्रीथिंग करने में भी एबल नहीं है, then आप उसको आर्टिफिशियल ब्रीथिंग प्रोवाइड करोगे. ओके. एंड आफ्टर दिस you consult to the doctor, nearest doctor. And now we will discuss about safety from fire. Safety from fire. How do we save from fire? We can say that fires are very flammable and don't wear especially synthetic fiber when your kitchen, because synthetic fibers are flammable. Synthetic clothes which are made from nylon are called flammable. So safety from fire. Use at first, if anybody get trapped with fire, then we use blanket. Blankets are used for controlling the fire. How we control from using of the blanket? If we covered with blanket of any fire, then the supply of oxygen are broke down, and then we controlled the fire. Okay, and using sand and fire extinguishers for control the fire. And that person which are trapped with fire, you should be the tips of first aid, and after this immediately given the treatment to them. And now we will discuss about some common number of emergency cases, such as the police control number is 100, ambulance 101, and fire brigades is known as the 102, and this is also known for you. Thus our lesson is going to be end. Thank you.